Once upon a time, there were two sisters named Naina and Sunaina. They lived in a small village. Naina was the older sister and Sunaina was younger. They loved each other very much and always helped each other. Every morning they would wake up early and helped their mother with the household work. Naina would sweep the floor while Sunaina would help in the kitchen. They would go to school together. Naina was good at math and Sunaina loved reading stories. One day their teacher announced a story writing competition. Sunaina was very excited because she loved stories. Naina, knowing her sister's passion, so she encouraged her to participate. Sunaina wrote a beautiful story about a magical forest and won the first prize. Naina was very proud of her sister. From that day, Sunaina started writing more stories and Naina would always read them first. They continued to support each other in everything they did. Their bond grew stronger with each passing day. Naina and Sunaina showed that with love and support, sisters can achieve anything together. They lived happily, always sharing their dreams and success. The sunny day. Yesterday was sunny day. The sky was blue. The birds were singing. I went to the park. I saw my best friend Emma. She was playing with a ball. I also went there. I asked to her, "What are you doing at the park?" She told me, "I am playing football. Will you also play football with me?" I said, "Why not?" Then we played together. We ran and laughed. The sun was shining. After a while, we sat down. We ate sandwich and fruits. It was a happy day. I went home at 5 o'clock. I felt tired but happy. I slept well last night. Success and failure. We should never be disappointed with failure. Success and failure are like sisters. Failure opens up our eyes and exposes up our weakness. By overcoming them, we can succeed again. Even the great scientists fail in their experiment. Big warriors are defeated in their battlefield. Great leaders lose their elections. But they consistently keep trying and definitely get success one day. We should never be disappointed by seeing the difficulties of the way. If we take strong determination, then nothing is impossible. Life is the other name of struggle. It is not a bed of roses.